Are you experiencing a Face ID field error on your iPhone? This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as software glitches, incorrect settings, or even a hardware problem with a true depth camera. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and resolve Face ID issues on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require attention for Face ID attention-aware features. Also enable haptic on successful authentication. After then, go back to main screen, swipe down to open Control Center, tap and hold brightness slider, turn on True Tone. Solution 2. Check hardware test for Face ID related issues. Go to App Store, type Check My Device, install and open these apps. Scroll down, find out Face ID test, tap Begin Test. Check if your Face ID works from here or not. If this doesn't work, this could be a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go Apple Care. But before you do, try these two quick settings. Solution 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 4. Update and give a reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then update it. If there is no software update, then go back. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Face ID issues on your iPhone. If the problem persists, it may be a hardware-related issue, and connecting Apple support would be the next best step. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have any further questions.